Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create GPT, your own GPT. So everybody must be aware of it by now. Like last week, OpenAI has released a new option to create your own GPT within Chatgpt, right? Especially for the Plus users, ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus users. So you can create your own bot like GPT where you can train it with some data and it will do that whatever it is specialized for. So that option is available for everyone, and especially who has ChatGPT 4. And sooner or later you will be getting in Play Store like App Store for all these GPTs available for you to explore. Okay, maybe some people would charge it, right? Maybe some people would get a lot of money, so they're coming up with the new plan. So let us try to understand how to create a basic GPT. So in order to create a GPT, you need to go for a ChatGPT 4 option, GPT-4 option. So I've already selected that, and there is an option called Explore on the left. So when you click on this Explore, you can see there is an option to create a GPT. It's still in beta. Okay, customize a version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just build a basic minimal GPT. So my idea is to, like, you can see already it is trying to help us. Let's say, hi, I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new product, or make a software engineer who helps format my code. So maybe I'll ask it to come up with something motivational quotations, right? So make a motivational quote generator along with a relevant image with that specific quotation. So I want to create something like, so let us see, since we have DALL-E 3 along with this GPT-4, right? So the image part will also be taken care of because it can generate images. So what it does is, like, whatever input that we have given, it is trying to pass it on to that. And GPT builder, you can see for this GPT, how about the name Inspire Art? Does that sound good to you? No, maybe you can have something like Motivational Hub. I'm just giving my own name. It's already generating a profile picture, as you can see, generating a profile, and already you can see some part is showing up here, like generates motivational quotes and accompanying him. So the description of that app was already putting out, although you did not see the name of the app, because this is the right side part is the preview, so left side part is something which you pass on. You can see it's a very beautiful profile image has been come up, and you can see the immediately that profile image has been taken. The title, Motivational Hub, generates motivational quote. Here is the profile picture. Or would you like any changes? No, I'm good with this. Let us see what it is asking more. Great. Now let's refine the context for Motivational Hub. What kind of topic or themes would you like it to focus on generating an images? For example, should it specialize in quotes about personal growth, career success, overcoming challenge? Can have all of those, as we might have audience coming from various areas. So I'm just saying keep all those areas: personal growth, career success, because one might be interested in career, one might be. Now you can see Motivational Hub is now set up to generate quotes and images on a variety of motivational topics suitable for a wide audience. Next, let's talk about how it should interact with you. How would you like Motivational Hub to respond? Should it ask for clarification directly, or should it educated guess based on the given info? Please make an educated guess based on the given information on the user. Do not engage more, as we want to keep this chatbot to quick results with relevant quotation and an image solve. I'm just trying to make it more crisp so that it relies on that particular information. I think okay, it says finally let's personalize the experience. How would you like to sound it in interaction? For example, formal language, friendly tone, or something. It can use a friendly tone. So it is asking the tone also. So we have given I think with that it can have the GPT ready, which is called as a motivational hub. It says like approachable tone. Feel free to try out Motivational Hub in the playground, which is this, which is a separate chat dialog to the right. I'm here to listen to any refinements you have for. So it is asking us to try it out on the right side. I would ask it to just, I will ask it to keep it simple. Please put just code and an image that gauge further and think that okay. So I think we just try it out on the right side. You can also configure it further. The name is taken. You can upload your profile image if you want something else, or use DALL-E again to change the file. You can add the description here. All the instructions that you were kind of putting in there, it was being picked up here automatically, making it more crisp. And these are the conversation starters. Like you can see, these are the 4 conversation starters that you see on the right side. By default, this you can change also if you wanted to add something else, or if you wanted to remove something, you can still say I code these. And also if you want to put some basic let's say your own database, say you have some 100 quotation in your database, right? Then you wanted to push that 100 quotations, important quotations here as in the knowledge, because first it will look into your knowledge. Along with that, further it will refine. So you can also use that if you want to use, and then you can select this capability. It will do the web browsing, it will use the DALI generation, and it uses the default code interpreter of Chatgpt. And also you can create actions. These are the create new actions. We can integrate something like Zapier, which we can integrate using some API. We're not going to cover that in today's though, but still you can do some custom actions based upon whatever you do. So let us save this. So we can directly save here. You can see can save for yourself only. If you want to save only people with a link, let's say you can save this and share this link with others so that they can also, if you want to save it to public, it will be publicly available. So I'm just keeping this myself. I'll show you what happens like if you wanted to use it also. You can like for example, let's keep it only pick on as you can see a GPT has been created which is named as motivational hub, right? And you can see you can also see like whenever somebody uses your GPT, they also can see like who's built this, and they can see my website. You can see santoshputnav. That means you can go to this when this option comes from here, like basically go to settings and beta, there's something called builder profile. So we can actually add your domain name. You can add your domain name and click on verify. So there will be some DNS or text file DNS needs to be added in your hosting, in wherever you hosted the domain. So once you do that, it will be automatically verified. Once it is verified, you can see that showing up here, your website. And the same thing people can, whoever it is using, they can directly click this link and navigate to your website. So I'll just let us just test it out. Give me a motivation. Every sunrise is an invitation. GPT. Let us add some. Let's go to configure. I'm going to add some knowledge database. Let's say I have something on my desktop which is called Bhagavad Gita. So I have some Bhagavad Gita .pdf. So maybe I want my motivational quote inspired from Bhagavad. So maybe I'll see like what is this upload is done. Now it has uploaded. Confirm. Now let us view GPT. Now let us try prompting the same thing. Give me a new quote of the day. Let us see what happens. As you can see, quotation along with an image. In the dark night of all being, wake to light the tranquil. What is day to other beings? So here's an image. So this is how it comes up. Thank you for watching guys. Let's catch up in the next video.